active until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county, Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, personnel